pussy bumper ass lad, poopy bumper ass lad. Dog shit them, the dirty dog shit them girl, then just a run up on me, then just a run up in my hole, crawl up in my hole. The dirty girl, my crawl up in my pussy hole. To come for my life can be a target in my hole, a target in my hole, target in my hole. Me no want nobody can run up in my pussy hole, run up in my pussy ass lad hole. Wanna take out no hood out of my hole. Dog shit, no dog shit. Uno bomber ass lad, uno bomber pussy clot, uno come off of Derrick Morgan name. Bomber ass lad, come off of me blood clot name. Come off of me bomber ass clot name. Come off of me pussy clot name. Come off of me bomber ass clot name. Uno bomber old people on TikTok. Uno come off of me ass clot name. Come off of me bomber ass clot name. Come off. Uno blood clot uno blood clot uno come off dead meat. Come off Junko, dog shit. Ain't nobody no come for me bumper clot life with no stinking pussy girl. All this stinking pussy girl no come off for me bumper clot name. Me no want that stinking pussy girl for me life. Uno run up, uno soon me a black uno blood clot off of me life. Drunk people, uno come off for me blood clot life. Dog shit, bumper ass life, uno come off for me pussy clot name. Dead dog, dead meat, dead fly, dead all kind of other. I'm not thinking pussy, you know, come up from my bomber rascal, name, you know, blood clot, you know. Top of the screen, guy, top of the screen. Nobody can send to look at money gun anything for Uncle Derrick, please and thanks. Please and thanks. Me if you look at come suck up my old dirty girl. Dirty girl come suck up my old. Hey, thinking pussy girl, you sell fuck at town. Me not black at thinking pussy girl. Me must say you sell fuck at town, you know. Me must say you sell fuck, you walk and sell fuck. Fuck each dirty girl when you have sitting on it, Tanisha, Tatla 876, you sell pussy at town. Me say pussy you sell a water ticket. Dog shit, dirty sell pussy girl, sell fuck girl. Not to argue me sell fuck girl. Sell fuck blood clot, you know, argue me a blood clot. You sell fuck, and you suck man cocky. You suck man cocky, you walk and suck cocky like a dog. Come off for this blood, but I'm ungrateful. Come off for this, cause you don't know me a blood clot, but me ungrateful. Come off for this blood clot, junk yo. Come off dead meat. Come off your blood clot, yo. Suck your man hood. Come off for this blood clot. You suck hood. Come suck some shit. You dirty blood clot, yo. Come lick up my hole. Come take a shot, come lick up my body hole. Come take a shot, come lick up my hole. The dog shit, yo. My hole want lick out. Come lick it out. Come lick it out like a lollipop. Come take a straw, come lick up my pussy. Come lick up my pussy. The one no come lick out my hole. Come lick up my blood clot pussy hole. Yeah. You know blood clot, you know. Now come lick out my hole. Come lick out my pussy hole. Come lick it out, right out, right blood clot out, right out. I'm not thinking blood clot and go from yourself. I'm not thinking you can come style, you can't tell me a blood clot. I'm not going to tell you come take a straw and come judge all this shit them up in my pussy. When I say all this shit them up in my bumper clot, all on draw them out and leave me alone to blood clot. Leave me alone to bomber ras clot. Everybody come in for me life. I'm gonna lift up my blood clot for the coming like on a blood clot. I'm gonna like on a pussy ras bomber blood clot. I'm gonna go away. I'm not blood clot, you know. You know want come style me. You can't come style me. You can't style me a blood clot on this. Cause me there if you want a blood clot. Me there if you come tell yourself, come suck me and juice me like a lollipop. You know, come juice me like a lollipop. Come juice me like a lollipop. Yeah, me I tell you, I'm gonna come suck the bam bam sweet, I'm gonna come suck half the bam bam sweet with me. I'm gonna go somewhere or lick some cock, or lick some blood clot cock and leave me so alone. Or lick some blood clot cock off of Derrick Morgan. Come off of this suck hood. Come off of this. Or suck some cock. Your blood clot, yo. Come off of this. Your bomber clot. Go lick some bam bam sweet, your pussy clot, you know. You know, dog, you know. Hello? No drunk now come here, sir. No drunk, no blood clot drunk now come here, sir. I do not come. All the drunk then come here. I want to live up all this blood clot. Every drunk come here, so I want to live up. Because me not afraid of no blood clot drunk. Like me say, no drunk now come here, so come this time here blood clot. I want to live up no blood clot. Live up to no blood clot. And me run this blood clot life, and me run this pussy bomber clot life. None of you run it. I'm going to live up for this blood clot. Me I tell you that, I'm going to live up for this. How the blood clot is someone a long chest out pussy girl we catch man like a dog.
You know why you're man and you're back to me. You could have been my grandfather. You could have been my grandfather, but you take fun and stop buy for stop sell for Derrick. Boy, you're hungry.
I am 78.
You want a house?
Oh man, all I done wait and fast is something. This dirty girl. I am not this dirty girl.
Come down, no. Come down, no. Wait. Your teeth one brush. Leave your teeth one brush. You want to be a dirty Derrick. You about Derrick, boy. You're hungry. Don't join your mouth one brush, boy. Don't join old Derrick. Pull a John old, pull a John Joe. You're big man, you walk a big. You could have been my grandfather. What is, boy? You can have no put him, boy. See you.